Today we're on part 3 of Miss Ski Doo build here. So, found out that it was the power exhaust valve. So we're going to pick one of them up. The problem with picking them up is we gotta go remove it out of another sled. So I told you we're going on a field trip today, so we're going on a field trip today. She's really nice out, she's really nice out, she's really nice out, so I wanted to get this done today. What's going on, weather? What you doing? But we can still test her out. We can still test her out there on the grass. So ride along with me. Thank you guys for coming along. This is Flippin' Mike. All right there, boys and girls. Well, this is our field trip for today. We are at the Shooter's Speed Shop. So I got my trusty little toolbox, and this is where we get our parts. That one is not it. Look at all the awesome stuff out here, everybody. Y'all seeing all this cool stuff? Oh, there's a 2001, 2002. Yeah. Y'all seeing what I'm seeing? It's like heaven up in here. We got some triple heads. The dealership as well, or at least the Midland Power Sports as well, and they weren't able to get any. So keep our fingers crossed that we find what we're looking for here. Here looks like some twin motors, maybe. Yeah, here's some twins. There's Articat player, Articat. There's Articat player, Articat. User. Does it? Well, people, and we're back. How's it going today out there in YouTube land? It's nice, beautiful, sunny day here in Verona, Wisconsin. I had an epic fail. I was gonna bring you guys on, and I was like, well, let me just see if I can torque the cylinders down quick. Cylinder walls. So I went to torque cylinder walls. That's what I did, and I snapped the bolt off in the block. So that is not good. My heart stopped. Felt like I wanted to cry. I wanted to cry. I calmed down, took a couple breaths. I was like, all right, we got a broken bolt off in the block. You got an easy out kit and some drills. So hard part is lining up the drill correctly. You see that is pretty centered. And I wasn't trying to cry on film, so I wanted to make sure I could get this out before. But I'm going to vacuum up all these little metal shards here. I got tape so it can't fall down into the bottom of the motor. So I'm going to vacuum up all those little metal shards. Thank the Ski Doo gods. Thank you, snowmobile gods. We will run. Just hit another hiccup. But it is very clean in the lower end. The pistons are not bad. They do have some wear on them, but otherwise pretty smooth. No big gouges, anything like that. So I was happy to see that. And had to go to the motorcycle junkyard again. I was able to grab a couple of those bolts, but I did have to pull the motor and extract them myself. So that's always fun. The motor was already out, so I just had the pop off the cylinder head and the cylinder jugs. So I got all those off, and now I'm gonna get this side back on. See, this other side here. Boom. See, I got that little sucker out of there. Let's see if I can find it. I threw it down here on the ground. This little guy. Right here. So these little things that break off inside your motor can cause a huge, huge problem. So it's always nice to have an extract kit with you. But enough of that. Let's start putting this sucker back together. All right, guys, we got the cylinder jugs reinstalled, and we are making progress. So when I come back to you guys, we should have this thing put back to, at least hopefully back together. I'm trying to get it back together tonight so that tomorrow I can do my first test drive, is what I'm hoping for, because we're supposed to have at least 2 inches of snow on the ground, 1.5 inches, and it'd be nice not to do it in the grass. So I did repaint the color of the exhaust there. I did valve cleanings, cleaned out both valves. You got the new one valve on that side, cleaned out this valve on this side. Pulled the head, pulled both cylinder jugs, checked the lower end. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. It's been fun. The test drive went great. And hopefully you had as much fun as I did. I mean, it's been an experience having the bolt break off an engine, all sorts of complications, and now still overheating a little bit. Hoses are hard, so I'm gonna go get a new thermostat for her. But yeah, she's fun. She runs real good. She rips real light in the front end, wants to pick up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as me. I am Flippin' Mike, and this is pretty flippin' awesome if you ask me. I had a great time riding this thing around. I can't wait till I get some more snow on the ground and hit up on some trails, or sell it to somebody who wants to hit some trails themselves and find their next flip. Alright, thanks guys.